Biome Shake is truly a unique protein product. Protein shakes are kind of a dime a dozen. They're almost commodities. Now, I still take protein shakes all the time. I'm a major protein consumer because I'm trying to maintain muscle mass. I've read studies, study after study after study that shows if I want to have a good body composition, that means less body fat, more muscle, be leaner, look better, basically. I should be consuming protein. And the recommendations for protein are increasing all the time. People should be consuming protein. So that's the reason why protein supplements have kind of exploded all over the world. The US, there's protein supplements everywhere. Europe, there's protein supplements everywhere. We're becoming aware that we should be consuming protein. The thing that sets Biome Shake apart is this idea of, one, utilizing plant-based protein rather than animal-based protein, and two, designing a protein shake that's not just delivering protein, but that's delivering plant nutrients, fibers, small molecules to our gut to improve our overall microbiome. So yes, it's a protein shake that supports body composition, that does all the things that protein does, but it's also providing building blocks for our microbiome, for our gut to be more healthy, and in turn, for our whole body to be more healthy.